of you who don't know me, don't have me, it looks blurry for some reason, but I did want to say hi. I am Mrs. Scott. I've taught physical science before, and I teach chemistry now. So I see some familiar names here, which I love to see. So I did want to say good morning. All right, let me get that stopped. Okay, good. Everybody, obviously, it hurt you to come in and join us and listen. Study Island, yes, everybody knows it's mandatory. You're getting a grade for it in your science class. So you want to make sure lesson again. Go ahead and take your quiz. Get your blue ribbon for today. Woo! And then you're done. So, and then you're going to earn another blue ribbon. Mr. Kowalski already talked about this, about they're going to do the tallies and be put in a drawing, so that's awesome. I'm thinking, okay, how can we talk about this the best that we can? That's kind of what I was thinking. There's a lot of information here. Johannes, you can put your question in the chat. So what I want to do, what is science? When you guys think of science, and we're gonna talk about it, and then I'm gonna say, okay, well, this is what your lesson talks about to make sure we don't forget anything, okay? So perfect. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. What do you think of science? Reports, conclusions, protons, neutrons, labs, data. You guys are right on track. You can stay here and listen. That's what your lesson said. Wording a little bit different, excuse me, than maybe like how I would talk about it in TC, but I want to. So scientific method addresses questions so that other people can follow those steps. Good steps you do. This was what we talked about. Some questions might not be answered by scientific research. Things that are ethics, morale, but not in your scientific data. You got to be able to do multiple trials. I know in your virtual labs you do multiple trials. You got to be able to reproduce those experiments, right? You have to have reproducible data. Has to have a control. So whatever I do, I got to make. I'll give you different polling tools. Possible explanation. For D questions, any questions? Go ahead and type them in the chat. I am going to send out your RSVP real quick. Let me get it open here.